Back with another unboxing, and today we're unboxing this one here, the W64RGB LED video light. I picked this one up, of course, from Amazon. So this is basically an LED video light. It's RGB, so you can pick any color you want. It's got a built-in battery, etc., etc. We're going to go through the details. Now this came in a little vanilla looking packet, which I've already opened, of course. So one of these. And inside the packet was also this little dongle, which I can tell the top part here is to do with like a cold shoe. So this is obviously going to connect to the light somehow, so we'll check that out. I'm just going to put that to the side. Now I'm going to unbox it. One thing to note is I've got a slight dent in it. I've already checked inside, everything is fine. It's just there's plenty of packaging on the inside, as you'll see. So basically it just pops out. Let's pop it out. So it's just a sleeve. The specs are on the bottom, of course. You don't need me to read those out because they should already be on the post. And as I open the box, this is what we have. Firstly, we have the documentation, which I've not yet looked at. It runs you through it. It's quite small, so if your eyes are like mine, then you might need something to help you read that. So I'm going to refer back to that one later. Now the device itself is sitting inside this plastic shell, so this has protected it. You can see even the plastic shell's fine, so that little bump in the corner's just crunched up the cardboard a little bit. I'm going to pull that out, and underneath I believe we've got a cable, which of course in this day and age it appears to be a USB-A to a USB-C, so that's for charging, obviously. Nothing else in the box, so I'm just going to put the box out of the way. Okay, the light itself is just in the usual, what you'd expect, usual bag that you get anything electronic from Amazon. But let's look at the light. It's the W64RGB. It says on the back here 2000 milliamp hours, so that's the built-in battery, of course. So that's one of the key features of this particular light, is that it is RGB and has this built-in battery, so you can mount it in different places. At the bottom we've got a cold shoe mount, so we can mount it on top of a camera or on top of a tripod. It's got the thread as well, so you can cold shoe it or thread it. And then on the sides you've got these mounts. The brand particular one we got, and there's a variety of brands that are a similar form factor, which are probably a similar product but put out by different companies. This one's Digitalfoto with an F, and so you'll see that in the listing. So let's see if the battery it comes with is got a bit of charge in it. Now there's a power button here. I'm going to hold that in, and there we go, it comes on straight away. And on this digital screen it's telling me the Kelvin and the intensity. So I've got two dialers here. I'm expecting it's like a jog. It's like you push it and hold it, that's dropping. It's giving me a full battery level too, so that's pretty good. So I can drop the level intensity, so down to 30% there. It's just by holding it in, it just counts down. Now this on the back is the color temperature, which is like the coolness of the light, or if we go down, the Kelvin. Interestingly, you push it down and the Kelvin goes up, and you push it up and the Kelvin goes down. So it's sort of not as intuitive as you'd think it is. Now, the question is, how do we change the color? The main reason I got mine is to do color background accents behind me in a set or something like that, where I can stripe like a hue of purple or blue or something. The power button actually flicks it through the different modes. So obviously when you turn it on, it's just the white light mode. So if I click it again, you can see instantly there I've got like a green light there going on, and I can change the hue by the hue value, which is in like a 360 degree hue value. You can see I'm more of in a blue now as I'm going around. So this is like a blue-green hue, and you can see I'm now in a purple zone, and we're in a pink and a red zone, and then we hit 360 and going back to 0, and then we're back around to yellow. So you can just cycle around the 360 degree hue. And if you click it a second time, you're in a flashing mode where it flashes the different colors. So it's like a rotation mode. There are 20 effects on here, so there's like a different, obviously, lighting effect. The additional thing, which I haven't talked about yet, is this light has actually got a magnet on the back, so you can attach it to something. Yeah, there it is. It's sticking to the top of my headphones. That's the only magnetic thing I had handy to grab at the time. But yeah, as a magnet, so you can potentially mount this up on something magnetic like a metal pole, to mount a light and then project that in the direction that you want to project that. So not only can you mount on a cold shoe or a tripod, you can also just magnetize it to something metal. So that's pretty versatile. I'm intending to primarily use mine to throw a little bit more color in the back, maybe not necessarily on this set, but if I film on location where I just need to, there's not much happening in the background, you just want to put a hue of blue or a hue of purple, something like that. Or whatever color of your choice, really, because you've got the choice. You can dial it into the very specific color you want. So that's what we got there today. That's the Digitalfoto W64RGB light. Let me put it that way for a change. Comes with a cable for charging, a little booklet explanation. This funny little dongle, which wasn't in the box but on the outside, if I could figure out how that attaches to it, that would be lovely. Whatever your reason for buying it, there it is. I think it's pretty much stock standard like the different ones from Ulanzi and other brands. It seems to be very much the same sort of setup with the magnet on the back and the cold shoes and the 2000 milliamp hour battery. All that and more. That's the Digitalfoto W64RGB. So check it out. Catch you later.